CIET NCERT presents the series of Science Songs. Friends, in this series, we present to you the program Beautiful World of Birds, Part 1.
Hello friends! Do you love to watch birds in your surroundings? We are sure you do. Come, let us take you to the beautiful world of birds. Can you guess where? Yes, Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary!
To see the beautiful world of birds, what better month than January? Take along your backpack and binocs when you visit the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. To see the beautiful world of birds, what better month than January? Take along your backpack and binocs when you visit the Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary.
Passing through the crowded city roads, as soon as you enter the sanctuary gates, you will find the world so different. No tension, no rat race.
Take a tour of this heaven in a rented rickshaw or a cycle. No toxic fumes from automobiles. Cough, cough, cough. For the birds, it's very vital. No toxic fumes from automobiles. For the birds, it's very vital. So, are you ready to take a tour of the sanctuary to see the beautiful birds? Let's see what surprises await us as we pass through the paths in the sylvan surroundings of the sanctuary.
You'll see winter migrants and resident birds through the crisp winter mist and haze. Hear sounds of hungry chicks in meeting calls as you pass through paths laid out in a maze. You will see winter migrants and resident birds through the crisp winter mist and haze. Hear sounds of hungry chicks and mating calls as you pass through paths laid out in a maze.
It's a place where nature abounds with myriad birds all around.
Bar-headed goose and ruddy-shelled duck, their vibrant colors will leave you spellbound.
Bar-headed goose and ruddy-shelled duck, their vibrant colors will leave you spellbound.
With their impressive large wingspans, watch super skills of the birds of prey. The masters in the art of hunting are steppe eagle, marsh harrier and osprey. The masters in the art of hunting are steppe eagle, marsh harrier and osprey. Would you like to see more birds? And would you like to know more about them? Friends, come on, let's take a peep into the habits and habitats of birds of this sanctuary.
Wow, so lovely. Children, we hope this song has taken you to the majestic, magical, and beautiful world of migratory birds.
Yes.
Do you know? Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is also known as Kewladeo National Park. Which park?
Kewladeo National Park.
It is located in the Indian state of Rajasthan. Over 230 bird species are known to be resident here.
Wow.
But all birds are not migrants. This bird sanctuary is an ideal grassland, woodland, and wetland for birds. So children, in this program, we have heard about some birds. Please relax as this soft music goes on. We have just a surprise for you. The birds we heard about were bar-headed goose. Listen to the call. Rudy Shelduck. It calls like this. Steppy Eagle. Listen, listen, how it calls. Now listen to how Marsh Harrier calls so sweetly. And now we bring to you the sound of osprey. Now listen to the sweet and melodious call of red-vented bulbul. And now listen to the majestic call of Siberian crane. Hello, our guest from Siberia. Come, come. We are so excited to listen to your call. Now call differently. Call, 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 call. Friends, we hope you have enjoyed birds' calls. But it's not the end. We have many more things to share with you. Stay tuned to us.
Beautiful World of Birds, Part 1. You were just listening to this program. Academic guidance and coordination, Dr. Ruchi Verma. Script, Vandana Saxena. Sung by Ruchi Verma, Parvati Poddar, Swasti, Megha and Priyanshi Verma. Drama artists, Ruchi Verma, Priyanshi Verma, Malvika and Aanchal. Composition and sound design Ajit Horo. Recorded by Bati Lang Lingdo. This program was assisted by Vimlesh Chaudhary and produced by Ajit Horo. This program was brought to you by CIET NCERT, New Delhi, India.